Why can't I unlock the drone? Before you can unlock, the drone needs to acquire GPS. Please go to an open outdoor area and wait for GPS to lock. When GPS is ready, the arm LEDs will change from flashing green to solid green. Then you can unlock and take off the drone. If the drone can't enter GPS mode, switch to a different open outdoor area. GPS signals can be hard to acquire indoors, near buildings, or under dense tree cover, forests. If GPS is locked but the drone still can't unlock, local magnetic interference may be affecting it. Please perform compass calibration a few times, or try another open outdoor location. Enable ATTI mode to fly without GPS. Press and hold the ATTI button on the remote for 3 seconds to enter ATTI mode. In ATTI mode, all GPS functions are disabled, so it's recommended only for short distance flights.